In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for YouTube thumbnails. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so using ChatGPT for YouTube thumbnails work best when you treat it as a thumbnail strategist and prompt writer plus design assistant rather than the actual image editor alone. So here's a practical workflow that creators use, including myself. So you want to go ahead and give ChatGPT the following: your video title, your audience, your niche, your emotion you want, and the style references. So a good example to fill this out is my video is about how I made 10K with AI tools. Audience is beginner entrepreneurs. I want the thumbnail to feel shocking and high energy like Mr. Beast thumbnails. So I'll go ahead and send that prompt. ChatGPT might want more details, but if it doesn't, it might spit out the answers straight away. So you can see here we've got different thumbnail concepts. So we've got number one, shock money reveal. So it's going to give you a visual. So you holding a laptop, huge glowing text with money on it, AI floating, icons floating, ChatGPT robot brain, code symbols, your face, wide eyes, shocked expression, text big and bold, AI made me XXX, energy, style, disbelief, and success reveal. So you can see these different concepts. You've got concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, 4, 5. Then also they're going to give you some pro tips as well that you can go ahead and check out. If you don't like any of these, or if you want to tweak and just say, can you give me another 5, and they'll go ahead and give you 5 more concepts you can go ahead and follow. You can also ask it to give me an example thumbnail, depending what plan you're on. If you're on free, it might not be able to do that, or you might be limited to 1 or 2 images per day. So if you do want to make thumbnails with ChatGPT, you will need to go ahead and get a Plus as well. We can also try ChatGPT Plus for free. I think it's for 2 weeks or 30 days. And also, while this is loading, we can also generate thumbnail text look. So good thumbnails use very little text. So we can ask it to generate 20 ultra short YouTube thumbnail phrases under 4 words. So yeah, this is a thumbnail that it created. It looks quite cool. Like, you could actually use that and you will get clicks. And also we can use ChatGPT to write image prompts. So basically, this is where ChatGPT can become really powerful. So you can ask it to create prompts for Midjourney, Adobe Photoshop, Canva, Leonardo AI. An example prompt would be create a cinematic YouTube thumbnail prompt with a shocked man holding a laptop, glowing AI effects, dramatic lighting, dark background, high contrast, etc. And also you can even ask ChatGPT to improve existing thumbnails. So we can ask it, upload your thumbnail, and basically ask, why is this weak? How can this get more clicks? What would Mr. Beast Ali Abal I showed speed style look like? What should be bigger? What is distracting? You can ask it all these different questions, and ChatGPT can critique the clutter, readability, emotional clarity, the focal points, and mobile visibility.